And we're off to do a cooking class right now. I think we're here to cook.
We're doing an Egyptian cooking class.
Megan is going to be a professional chef today. How was your first cooking lesson?
Amazing. We're gonna try our lentil soup now.
It's amazing. We make this all the time back home, but we definitely learned like a few tricks today, hey? So we're just having our first few bites of this lentil soup. And I was telling the chef that Megan makes this all the time and it's pretty good, but this is amazing. This guy knows what he's doing. We arrived at the hotel so hungry and they asked us if we wanted to do a cooking class to help them with their social media or something. We're like, sure, I guess. Really lucked out on this. And they custom made it all vegetarian for us. Megan's just really enjoying that falafel sandwich that we just made.
Those are really flavorful falafel. And the tahini is amazing.
The tahini is the secret sauce that everybody wants.
It's very good.
We just finished up an amazing cooking class and now we're gonna spend some time lounging at the pool. Welcome to Luxor, Egypt, folks. This is what it's like here. It's amazing. The best hotels are right along the Nile River and that's exactly what we got.
Look at behind us is the Nile River. The Great Nile.
So this morning we're just gonna go and head to the gym and get a workout in. And then we're just gonna hang out by the pool and do some work today. We booked a full day tour tomorrow to check out all the sites here in Luxor. So that's the plan. Pretty nice gym. It's got everything we need. Time to work out. What are you doing today, Megan?
Water, we can take it and go. I don't know, I'm just gonna go where the wind blows me.
Oh, I just had an awesome workout at the gym here. If you ever plan a trip to Luxor, make sure you stay in the Hilton Resort and Spa. It's got everything you need. Obviously, you're gonna go and do all the tourist things every day, but when you come back, it's nice to have a pool that you actually want to swim in, a gym that you actually want to use, and the restaurant here has really, really good food, so highly recommended. How amazing is this? Apparently the Nile River is actually the longest river in the world. However, some scientists are debating that the Amazon River is 65 kilometers longer. So I guess it's up to us to decide which one we want to believe. The Nile River actually starts in Burundi and flows all the way through Sudan, through Egypt, all the way out to the Mediterranean Sea. It's really, really, really crazy. So many Egyptians rely on this. I mean, Egypt is basically a desert. Without the Nile River, they wouldn't have enough water. As it is, they're really struggling. Apparently by 2025, they're supposed to have 95 million people living in Egypt. And as it is right now, they're barely able to survive with what the Nile River is providing. This is 90% of Egypt's water right here.